If you want to create a free color effect in Pixlr, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you a simple way to map 3 different colors across your image so you can create a bold, stylized look in just a few clicks. This is a great technique for portraits, thumbnails, posters, social media graphics, and any design where you want more visual impact without spending hours editing. And if this video helps you out, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more Pixlr tutorials just like this one. Let's jump in. First, open your image inside Pixlr. Once your project is loaded, look at the top menu bar. This is where you'll find the adjustment tools that control the overall look of your image. From the menu, click Adjustment and then choose Color Lookup. This tool is what lets you apply a custom color style over your image using a gradient-based lookup system. When the Color Lookup panel opens, you'll see a color gradient bar. This bar is the key to building your free color effect. Click directly on the gradient bar to start editing it. Now you're going to map your 3 colors across the slider so each section of the image gets a different tone. For the left side, which controls the shadows, set that point to your first color. A common choice is red because it gives the darker areas a strong dramatic feel. But you can use any color you want depending on the mood you're going for. If you want something intense, go with red or orange. If you want a cooler look, you could use deep blue or purple instead. Next, move to the middle section, which controls the midtones. This is where you'll add your second color. To do that, double-click the center of the bar to create a new point. Once that point appears, set it to your second color. A lot of people use blue here because it gives the image a balanced contrast between the darker and lighter areas, but again, you can customize this however you want. The midtones often have the biggest effect on skin, clothing, and background detail, so this is a great place to experiment. Now go to the right side of the bar, which controls the highlights. Set this point to your third color. White is a popular choice because it helps keep the bright areas clean and gives the effect a polished finish. You can also try soft yellow, pale pink, or light cyan if you want a more creative look. The highlight color is what will make the brightest parts of your image stand out. If you want to make the effect even more interesting, you can layer the colors and add alternate extra stops along the bar. This lets you create smoother transitions or more stylized color shifts, depending on the look you're after. Adding extra stops can give your image more depth and make the final result feel less flat. So don't be afraid to test a few combinations until it looks the way you want. As you adjust the gradient, keep an eye on your image preview. You want all 3 color zones to blend nicely while still being noticeable. If the effect looks too strong, you can tweak the placement of the points or soften the color choices. If it looks too subtle, push the colors further apart or choose more contrasting shades. Once you're happy with the 3 color effect, click Apply to lock in the changes. That's it, your image now has a custom 3 color look in Pixlr, and you didn't need any advanced editing skills to do it. This is one of those simple effects that can instantly make your designs look more creative and professional. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy Pixlr editing tips, photo effects, and design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.